Let's create a mini desk fireplace together. This illusion will definitely have your friends, family, and coworkers in total awe. You can use your computer monitor screen or an iPad for a smaller fireplace. Find a piece of cardboard or foam board and cut an opening the exact same size as your computer screen or your iPad screen. Oops, there goes Fabio. He's our quality control guy. In addition, cut 2 flaps the same height of your computer monitor frame, but make them about 6 inches wide each. Then, cut a long rectangular piece to make the mantle. Make this rectangular piece about 8 inches longer than your center frame piece. I wrapped all of my pieces with a brick wallpaper backdrop material that I bought on Amazon. Check out my comments below for the link to this paper. Then I taped both of the flaps to the center frame, but I only applied tape to the back side. This is because you want the flaps to be able to bend and create a trifold. And here's how it looks standing up with the flaps attached and the monitor behind the opening. Adjust your monitor height so that it matches up completely with the opening of your fireplace. Now take the rectangular mantelpiece that you created and place it on top. And here's how it looks assembled. To get your roaring fire going, go onto YouTube and find a video of a fireplace. I found one here that runs for 10 hours with crackling flame sounds. If you're using an iPad, find something to boost your iPad up so that the opening matches up exactly to your screen. Our mini fireplace looks so real. I feel warm and toasty. And if you have furry creatures in your home, you don't have to worry about them accidentally scalding their paws. Oh my goodness, what happened? Just kidding, that was just a special effect. No furry animals are burned making this video. And here's our fireplace all decorated and set on top of our desk. I have 2 monitors going here, so I was able to work and also keep my roaring fireplace going. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more fun ideas.